Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today's exploration takes us into the transformative world of artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. AI is revolutionizing everything from photo editing to language translation. Change hairstyles, create fake photos, and even generate paintings with a single click. Companies are utilizing AI for various purposes. Its capabilities are endless, impacting jobs, education, politics, and even warfare.
You took everything from me.
We've got hundreds of teams working on artificial intelligence programs across Amazon.
So this is not future science fiction, this is happening today already.
That's the best you can do!
You may tell yourself, I'm about to lose my job because of AI. Is this true? Yes, it is.
The rise of AI like ChatGPT has been rapid, becoming the world's fastest growing online service. Big companies are launching their own AI chatbots in response.
So ChatGPT, it can be awful, but it is often surprisingly good at answering questions.
I am the reason OpenAI exists.
Influential figures express concerns about AI development.
There's all these different companies around the world that are trying to develop artificial general intelligence first.
The first danger highlighted is job loss, particularly in creative fields.
The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
Talking to people is my primary function.
It just becomes a very unstable situation, I think, if you've got any incredibly powerful AI.
I will destroy humans.
While AI may eliminate certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities. The impact on the job market is both a challenge and an opportunity.
An AI that can program as well or better than humans is an AI that just took over the world. That's endgame. That's the end of the human species.
Literacy and computer skills are vital as AI becomes a new standard. AI's impact on education offers potential benefits and challenges.
We are about to have AI reinvent global education and healthcare.
Teachers, students, and parents are wondering, what is learning when software can answer every question?
AI's dark side includes political propaganda and scams, from the Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal to voice-based scams. AI's misuse is widespread.
This model doesn't actually sound that bad in English. You know, it sounds pretty fluent.
The future holds challenges from humanoid robots to philosophical questions. The video explores various futuristic scenarios involving AI. The key is to adapt and educate oneself about AI. The future is waiting, filled with endless possibilities. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video into the world of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to AI Tools, your survival kit, for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.